Hello guys and welcome. I'm very happy that I can finally say that after this coronavirus crisis what we have here in Europe, we can from yesterday actually, we can finally continue with our free Pinterest masterclass. I will shortly explain you what happened in our case. You know, when we prepare everything and when we start to announce this masterclass, we still work in our office, and next day, suddenly government make lockdown and no one cannot go anywhere. It was prohibited to leave your house and you are forced to work from home. And we have a counter office where you need first to apply that you can access your office. So there is 100% no chance that we are able to access our office, and that's the reason why we cannot reach our data and we cannot continue with publishing stuff about Pinterest Masterclass. So that's why we decide, after weeks and weeks of waiting and considering with some core business we are doing, because everything go to hell in this situation, you know, people cannot work, cannot do anything, that I don't explain things what you actually all know. We decide to make some things from where we can and continue with stuff, brand new stuff, that we don't waste time with this Pinterest masterclass. Because Pinterest is one perfect tool which can help you to bring you floods of traffic if you know how to use it. So let me present you in this video how you can freely register to free Pinterest masterclass without paying anything and have access forever. So first thing what you will need to do, in description of this video, same like here, you will find this link. And when you click on this link, you will get page, registration page, where you can pick to access free Pinterest masterclass. And this page should look exactly like this one. When you click here, you will be taken down to the page where you will click on this or this link to get access to this free course. Here we put some important notice which you have to read to understand that if you use Yahoo email have on global level some security issues. That means that autoresponders and mail registrants won't provide any kind of email in 90% to Yahoo domain, because it's corrupted and have some security issues. So we strongly advise, if you want to access to this free course, that you use any email instead of Yahoo. So now when we know this very important information, we can continue with process of registration. And that the process of registration is very simple. So what you have to do here, you should pick some username, and in this case we will call this username test. We will put password to be test, we will confirm password with test, and we will use some emails, not this one actually, we will use, for example, this one, and we will repeat it here, and we will submit and confirm. And be careful in this step now. You will see that everything is processing, everything is going like it should go, no problem with this part at all. And here you will get thank you page and some explanation. Here we will repeat again for Yahoo users that unfortunately there is a high chance that you won't get any email. And for all other users, we will simply remind you that there is a chance that this email can end up in your spam folder. And what you have to do, once when you go to your email here, in this case is our Gmail, you should get, like you see, this email is not in spam. We just separated, like you see, there are some free groups like primary, social and promotions. We get it in this group of promotions. If you don't have that separation for your inbox account, then you have no problem, you will immediately see this email. So what you have to do next, you will click on this link to confirm your email address, and you should get this thank you page. And once when you confirm it, you should immediately receive second email with welcome to your free Pinterest course. And here we will explain you that you use your username and password which you just use for signing up to this registration to access free Pinterest course. And here is the link which when you click you can go to log in inside. But when you already register on this website, you don't need to log in because you just make registration and you are remember in our system. But for your precaution, simply remember your username and password, write it somewhere that you have it for later usage. And here we explain you one very important thing what you need to understand, and I will explain you now why it's organized like this. First, we say that this course have 6 different modules. Each modules, of course, needs time to be learned and solved. So that means we want to force you that you don't watch these videos only once. We will force you that you watch them as long as it's needed, that you fully understand what we are talking about. And we predict that you need 3 days to solve each module. So once when you are here, you will get one welcome video.
Hello
and
guys,
here,
and welcome to your...
Here you will get similar explanation what I told you right now. And then we will have some intro where we will explain you in 3 videos what actually we are doing here, how we will do it here, and why we pick this way. And after that you will have module 1 open immediately. And here we will show you what you will need that you successfully follow this Pinterest course, what we advise you to have and to not have, and which tools we are going to use. You need to understand that mostly 90% in this 4 hours Pinterest masterclass, mostly all tools will be free. But if you want some rapid, more successful way how to do some things, we will also recommend you some tools which will really help you to raise up your success working with Pinterest. And first of all, here we mean on applications like Jarvis or Follow Liker, which we didn't find like some good solution, but can help you in some other things what we will going to explain you. But for sure, Jarvis is something what will help you in the best possible way. And you also need to understand that Jarvis don't have any affiliate programs, so we don't recommend it because we will learn something, earn something on it. We will recommend it because it's really good to make some things what we are going to explain, and you will see in our Pinterest account we will use for this tutorial and masterclass. We have millions of views and millions of reach, really following easy to understand strategy what you have to do with this masterclass and how you can simply copy paste method in your personal projects. So each video works that you simply click on play button, you get here what is video about, and video will start to play.
Hello
after
guys,
you
I understand everyone think.
You see, after you press play, you will have here video explaining subject what it's covering. And here again, we explain how fast you will reach each level, actually module of this course. And one more time, don't be mad because of this. We want you to really repeat what you learn and really try to prepare everything to follow this without any problem. So for us, it's very important that you share with us how your progress is going. We will put here in top right corner, bottom right corner, we will put Facebook Messenger chat. So in case that you have any problem, you can send simply message to us and ask anything what you want to ask. Okay? So we want to help you in any possible way. So this masterclass is 100% free. You can access it from link below this video in description. Simply follow process of registration exactly how I explain, and guys, build up your knowledge, because that's something what no one cannot take from you and will help you to really reach huge audience and bring you floods of traffic if you will follow my guide exactly how I'm going to show you. And that's free traffic. That's something what you have to understand. It's 100 organic free traffic, and if you hit good niche and you're doing good job with your website, your blog, or whatever you're doing, e-commerce, whatever, YouTube channel, doesn't matter. Method is absolutely the same for everything what you're doing on Pinterest. Trust me, you will grow rapidly for $0. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to put it in comment. When you register to Pinterest course, you will have live support. You can ask anything you want and have fun. I hope you will solve all problems what you have with this Pinterest course, and in upcoming period we will put more courses and teach you some things which maybe you still don't know they exist, but will help you, really help you a lot building up your business. Have fun, guys.